Jesse Livermore once said, "It wasn't my thinking that made the big money. It was my sitting." Sometimes your hard work is the very thing destroying your trading account.
We're taught, work harder, achieve more. So traders wake up at 5 a.m., watch dozens of charts, take more trades. Then something ironic happens. The harder they work, the worse their results get.
Out of 10 trades, maybe only 2 fit your system. The other 8 are just chances for the market to punish you. A surgeon doesn't improve by doing unnecessary surgeries.
You see a clean setup, but you start stacking indicators, RSI, MACD, volume, news. The more you look, the more confused you get. By the time you act, the opportunity is gone. Staring at charts for hours keeps your brain in high alert. Every price move triggers FOMO and fear. When your mind is tired, discipline collapses, and you start forcing trades. The market doesn't care how many videos you watched. It rewards one thing: high-quality decisions at the right moments, a clear system, discipline to follow it, patience to wait. Trading is the art of subtraction, not addition. Removing unnecessary indicators, removing impulsive trades, removing your ego. The less noise, the clearer the view.
If you're working hard and getting worse results, the problem isn't your effort, it's the direction of it. Comment below, are you working hard or working right? Subscribe and hit the bell icon to Trader Mind Secrets.